Can I get Discovery Plus on Roku? Yes, Discovery Plus is available on Roku devices, allowing users to stream their favorite documentaries, reality shows, and exclusive content. The Discovery Plus app can be installed from the Roku Channel Store and requires an active subscription. 1. Compatible Roku devices. The Discovery Plus app is supported on most Roku streaming devices and Roku-enabled smart TVs, including Roku Express, Roku Streaming Stick, Roku Premiere, Roku Ultra, Roku Smart TVs, TCL, Hisense, etc. Older Roku models may not support the app, so users should check their device compatibility in Roku settings. 2. Installing the Discovery Plus app on Roku. Users can download and install Discovery Plus directly from the Roku Channel Store. If the app is not pre-installed, it must be manually added. 3. Signing in with a Discovery Plus account. To access Discovery Plus content, users must sign in with an active Discovery Plus subscription. New users can also sign up through the app. 4. How to install Discovery Plus on Roku. Step 1. Press the Home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Navigate to Streaming Channels and select the Roku Channel Store. Step 3. Use the search function to find Discovery Plus. Step 4. Select Discovery Plus and click Add Channel. Step 5. Open the app and sign in with your Discovery Plus account. 5. Watching Discovery Plus content. Once installed, users can stream on-demand shows, live channels, and exclusive Discovery Plus originals. The app supports HD and 4K streaming on compatible Roku models. 6. Troubleshooting common issues. If Discovery Plus does not work properly on Roku, try these steps. Restart your Roku and reopen the Discovery Plus app. Update Roku software and the Discovery Plus app. Sign out and log back into the Discovery Plus app. Uninstall and reinstall the app if it crashes. 7. Alternative streaming methods. If the app is unavailable on a Roku device, users can still watch Discovery Plus by casting from a smartphone or tablet using Chromecast, streaming via a different device like Fire Stick, Apple TV, or smart TVs with the Discovery Plus app. Discovery Plus is fully supported on most Roku devices and can be easily installed from the Roku Channel Store. Users with older Roku models may need alternative streaming methods.